Hi guys, welcome back to This Crazy Life. And today we have a Brandless haul for you guys. And we will be testing and trying the snacks and see if they are yummy or okay or not really good. So our first item is cheese duck crackers. Here you go, Liam. They're good? I think they're actually really good too. So those cheese duck crackers were actually really good. They were a lot like goldfish except in the duck shape. And our second item is partially popped popcorn. It's the cheddar flavor. Yeah. And do you want to try some of these? Oh. Here you go, Liam. Grab a few. And these are what they look like. Oh. They're really good. And those partially popped popcorn were actually really good. They were like kind of hard and also soft and popcorny. So they were actually really good. Our next item is toasted coconut cookie thins. These are what they look like. Maybe you want to try one out? You can't really taste the coconut. Ew. But they're really good. Yeah. What? They're kind of good? Yeah. Those toasted coconut cookie thins were, I think they're really good. They're like crunchy and thin, and then you can't really taste the coconut, but it's like an Oreo cookie except with no filling or like that kind of cracker thing. And our next item is dried mango. We love dried mango. This is probably our favorite thing that Brandless gives this to us because we love dried mango, don't we, Liam? I love dried mangoes. Do you like it? Yeah. Kinda? I like but not all the down and that was done. This is really good. I love dried mango. I like doing this. Liam, what is that? Is it a thumbs up, a sideways, or a thumbs down? You like them? Yeah. Kind of like squishy. Okay. Those dried mangoes are awesome. We love dried mangoes. Look, they look like turkeys. And we love dried mangoes. So dried mangoes are really good. And our next item are chocolate chip cookie thins. So these are really close to these, except they're chocolate chip instead of coconut. When we opened the box, he was really excited to see these. Liam, are you excited to see the chocolate chip cookies? Yeah. Ooh. Here we go, Liam. Looks so yummy. Actually, Liam, do you want that or a big piece? This is the bag, and then here is what they look like. And I had chocolate chips in the back. Wow, those are really good. Are you still chewing on your mango? Yeah. Wow, these are really good, you guys. Wow. Really good. So those chocolate chip cookie thins were amazing. I literally love them. You could taste the chocolate chip a lot, and it was like chocolate chip, and then like an Oreo. It was like those, the yellow ones, except Yeah, you like them? You like the cookie? Yeah, that's why I thought. And so they are actually really good. And we actually got 2 dried mango bags. And then our next item is vanilla cocoa granola. This is our favorite granola that Brandless gives to us. This is like our favorite. And this is what they look like. There's some of the vanilla, and then I'll get a chocolate one. And then there's a chocolate one. We love them as always. You like the granola, right? Do you like it? Yes or no? Is it thumbs up? Liam, we're at your favorite one. So, what we have is sour gummy worms. We are actually going to take these on our trip because we're going to be going on a trip today. And this is your favorite one, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You saw this right off the bat and he loves them. Liam, I bet you're going to love these sour gummy worms, aren't you? Are you wanting one? Yeah. Yeah. They're kind of hard to open. Ooh, Liam, look at those. Yeah. So here are what they look like. Except this one is broken. Here's a full one. It's not broken. Whoa. Whoa.
No, it's so
Whoa,
hard.
these are not like fake gummy. They're like real gummy. Wow. It's like a different kind of gummy of real gummy worms. Wow, that's good. Mmm. Good. Liam, what do you like? Do you think that they're yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Now, the next item is this brownie mix. Of course, we cannot try this. It would probably be not very yummy. Now, we got a lot of this fossil pasta. Well, we got too many bags that we can't take them all out. We have 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have one of these kind. And we also get our spicy brown mustard. Of course, we cannot try this. It would not be very yummy if we tried it like this. And then we always get sometimes we get our ketchup from Brandless. And then here's our fossil toner. And here is facial toner from my mom. And then here is body lotion from my mom as too. So our very last trying item is this blueberry flax granola. Right there. Liam, stay it up. Liam, are you ready to try this? Okay. Whoa. Liam, smell it. It smells good. Smell it, Liam. Smell it. Doesn't that smell good?
Yeah. Let's try some.
Okay, so there's the granola from this granola. I mean, no, that's not the granola. But the granola that we already tried. And then, except it's that. And then except not the chocolate. Instead of chocolate, it's blueberries.
I want a blueberry.
Maybe you want a little tiny handful?
Yeah.
Is the blueberry yummy?
Yeah.
your hand out. There we go. He loves the blueberries. I'm gonna try a blueberry. Yummy. Instead of the blueberries yummy, Liam. And that is all for the Brandless haul today. And if you want to try out any of these items, you can go in the description below and get $6 off of these items, and you can try them out for yourself. And make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up on the video. Bye! And what item do you want to eat now?
The gummy ones. I want to read like one purple.
I did.
Well, yuck. This is a pink.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is yuck. And I even want a
of my dried mango.
And I even want a red gummy one.
And there's no red. It's only orange.
Mm.
There's no red.
I want orange then.
I just offered you that orange.
No, it's yellow. No, that's it.
Bye, guys. For real this time.